Yeah, they stuck, man.
Right now.
Man, we about to see you a picture, son, man. They stuck, man. I swear to God.
Hey, Mike, son, we was in the truck.
Son, we got a litter coming, son. Shake back killers, nigga. Son, that whole palace hollering like the shit hurt. Huh? 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 Yeah. Fuck no, he ain't trying to pull.
That nigga just chilling.
Shit, alright, that's all I had to tell you. Shit, we smoking too. I said, that nigga Trey over here, you heard me? That nigga got a half ounce. Uh-huh. Huh?
Them bitches really.
Son, these bitches really stuck, son. I said, these bitches really stuck. I had to stop rolling the weed and everything just to get out to see this shit. The Pat taking that shit. We got a fucking litter coming, dude. Like, he just don't know. Yeah.
Man, I want one out there, bitch. When he drop,
huh?
I want one.
Alright, nigga.
Eyes closed.
Dumb bitch. That nigga smoke was going fast as a motherfucker,
Well,
too.
I turned around like, oh shit.
Hey, hold pallets and make sure she'll move. I'm about to roll this weed up. Smoke neither. Don't let her bite on this shit.
Hey, I am gonna Instagram this shit. Litter coming on the way. Damn. These bitches gonna be so pretty. I'm telling you. Oh, that nigga dick gone. That nigga dick put back down. Uh-huh.